Homemade Thai pineapple fried rice recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we're going to take a culinary journey to Thailand and learn how to make a mouth-watering dish, Thai pineapple fried rice. This is a sweet, savory, and aromatic dish that's bursting with flavor. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, cooked and cooled. 1 cup of diced pineapple, fresh or canned. 1/2 cup of cooked shrimp, or your choice of protein. 1/2 cup of diced bell peppers. Use a mix of colors for a vibrant dish. 1/2 cup of diced carrots. 1/4 cup of peas. 2 cloves of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. A handful of fresh basil leaves for garnish. Step 1. Start by cutting the pineapple. You can use fresh pineapple or canned pineapple chunks. Make sure they're bite-sized. If using canned pineapple, drain the juice. Step 2. In a wok or a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Step 3. Add the shrimp, or your protein of choice, to the pan. Cook until they turn pink and are no longer translucent. Remove them from the pan and set them aside. Step 4. Next, add the diced carrots, bell peppers, and peas to the pan. Stir-fry them for a few minutes until they begin to soften. Step 5. Push the veggies to the side of the pan and add the curry powder. Then, mix it in with the veggies. Step 6. Now, add the cooked rice, pineapple chunks, cooked shrimp, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir everything together and cook for a few minutes until everything is heated through. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, our homemade Thai pineapple fried rice. It's colorful, aromatic, and full of amazing flavors. Top it with some fresh basil leaves for a burst of freshness. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure to Thailand. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel for more delicious recipes from around the world. As always, the full list of ingredients and detailed instructions can be found in the video description below. See you next time.